coat. Here it comes. I have to get this first initial filament out of the way because that way you can see. I guess not. Okay, when it returns, when it first came down, it makes that little jolt. Here it comes again. Right there. Doesn't matter if there's anything, there's nothing under it. I can pull the filament out. It jerks right there. Here it comes again. To the right. Jerk. Okay? It does this all the time. It doesn't matter if it's a square, big circle, little circle. It always happens at the starter point when the nozzle first comes down. I can start the nozzle on the left, and it does a radius, and then when it hits that point, it makes that little jolt. And I can completely take this filament out, and it would do that little jolt. It's not heating anything, not the bed or nothing. Thank you.